Hi everyone. So today is May 4th. As you have seen from the clickbait thumbnail and the title, we are doing a new personal challenge known as the 100K in 100 days trading challenge. I just wanted to see if I can make it, especially when I have so many free days right now. And so, talking about today's trade, the zerodha platform was not available in the initial few minutes, and I was able to buy a trade only at 9:21. So if you have seen, I have brought two gold ETFs. The first one was a CNC delivery where I just wanted to average out with my previous trades that I have in my portfolio. The second one was the intraday. I knew the gold prices would go higher up today because of the US-China trade war, and the other things that are happening around in the market. So talking about the real trade, the first one I did was around 9:26, where I did a short selling of Reliance of 100 quantities at 1450, and then I had purchased it back at 1439. So that gave a profit of 11 rupee into 100 quantities, which is closer to 1100. And again I did few uh, quantities of Reliance later on, but all those were like very small trades. The second big trade that I did was with Bajaj, where I did another short selling at 4845, and then I purchased it back at 4825. That was just 30 quantities of Bajaj. If you could see, that was at 955, and that gave a profit of around 600. And seeing the market today, I decided to do more trade with Bajaj, and the total profit that I made from Bajaj today was 2096, and the total profit from Reliance that I made today was 1220, and from the gold ETF was 52 rupees. So it was all profitable trade today, and the CNC delivery is still showing at 66. The total profit that you see over here is 3435, but actually the total profit is 3368 from the intraday trading, which will be the one we'll be taking into account. Will not be taking the CNC profit into account. Even if it is profit or loss, we'll never take CNC into account. So apart from that, the Nifty entered somewhere around 9300 for today. So if you see the stocks that I traded, one is Bajaj. So if you see, the highest price it has been is at 4939, and lowest it went was at 4720. The other one was Reliance. So the highest price it had was at 1465, and the lowest price it was is at 1417. You could see the price is at 1435 right now. Cool. The seems like the internet is kind of off, so we'll finish it off by checking out the total profit for today, which is 3368. We'll keep doing this for the next 100 days to check how much days does it require to take 100K. We'll see if we can complete the challenge in this certain time or maybe not. See, for some traders it is really easy to achieve this figure, maybe even in 20 days or 10 days or 30 days. For some people it will be tough, like especially a person like me who's just a beginner and who learned trading only in this quarantine days. It would be kind of difficult to achieve this target maybe in this 100 days. Today was really a good day, saying we had like 3300 rupees profit, even though our target was just as 1000. But there could be, like, bad days. There could be days where you get make like less than 1000, where you could make like less than 500. So the whole point is, whatever market gives you, try to grab it, and let's see how the challenge keeps going in the further days. And if there is anything, feel free to comment below. Have a nice day. Bye.